In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change font in Facebook Messenger. We will focus on changing the text size, since Messenger does not let you switch font styles like Arial or Times New Roman. Instead, it follows whatever text size you choose in your Android settings, so we will adjust that and see how it affects your chats. First, open your phone settings. Look for the Settings app on your home screen or in your app list, usually shown as a small gear icon. Tap it once to open. When Settings opens, you will see a list of options such as connections, sounds, notifications, and more. If your menu looks slightly different, do not worry. Every Android phone still has the same core options, sometimes grouped under different headings. Once you are in Settings, tap Display. This section controls how everything looks on your screen, including brightness, screen timeout, and text size. When you tap Display, the screen will change to show options like brightness, dark mode, and sometimes screen resolution. On many phones, you might need to scroll a little bit to see all the display settings. If you do not see display right away in the main list, look for it inside a section like Appearance. The key is to open the option labeled Display. Next up, tap Font Size and Style. This is where the phone controls the size of text across most apps, including Messenger. When you open it, you will see a preview line of text at the top, and underneath that, a slider bar. Some phones also show sample headings or body text, so you can compare how the size will look in real use. A useful detail here is that changes you make in this screen apply instantly, so you can see the preview update as you adjust the slider. Now move the slider to change the size. Drag it towards smaller if you want more messages to fit on your screen, which can be handy in busy group chats. Drag it toward larger if you want the text to be easier to read, for example if you often strain your eyes or use Messenger in bright light. As you move the slider, watch the preview text at the top grow or shrink in real time. Beginners often move the slider too far on the first try, so it can help to make small adjustments. Pause a moment, then check the preview again. There is no save button here. Every change takes effect as soon as you release your finger. With that ready, open Messenger again. Return to your home screen, then tap the Messenger icon to launch it. When your conversations load, open any chat and look at the message text. You will see that the size of the text has changed to match the slider you set in your phone settings. If you are not happy with the result, just repeat the previous steps and nudge the slider a little until the text feels comfortable. Today you learned how to change the text size that Facebook Messenger uses on Android, making your chats easier to read or fit more on screen. So if that helped you out, please give the video a quick thumbs up and maybe subscribe for more simple Messenger tips.